Nearly 12 hours later, we finally made it to our destination, the Cajun Dome in Lafayette, Louisiana, where Bigfoot will face some tough competition this weekend. So we're going to unload the truck, tire it up, and move it into the building. We're going to get to it.
It's been a long day in the rig, but we're finally here. The truck is tired up and ready to go for tomorrow. Ron Bachman's here with the Bigfoot display truck, and he's ready to go. We're checked into the hotel, so it's finally time to rest and relax a little bit. We're going to get a little dinner. It's going to be a really early morning tomorrow.